I know that referee.
Yeah, he looks a little familiar.
I feel like I've seen him somewhere before.
I know. I think I saw him like last night.
That's what I thought too.
I mean, I thought you guys were hanging out.
Something like that.
Do
maybe, was that a different guy?
Were you guys? I thought you and him were doing something. Was it keeping it cool?
Oh,
weighing 220 pounds from St. Louis, Missouri, Akbar, period.
Speaking of podcasts, Akbar, period, has actually been on our show. A guy that we are very familiar with.
Quite.
Of course, made his presence felt last month.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, wasn't quite well, you know, talking to the boss.
Ole!
And there he is, the NGW Lightning Champion.
He is your New Genesis Wrestling Lightning Division Champion, weighing 122-pound burritos from Mexico, Missouri. 123 now? Okay, I'm sorry, 123 2-pound burritos.
Gained a little bit of weight.
Magnifico!
Yeah, maybe just a tad.
Uncle Scooter to put the icing on the cake. This is a championship match.
Listen, you just heard it from Phoenix. This match will be for the NGW Lightning Championship. And why is oh, good Lord.
Oh, no. Oh, my. Oh.
Akbar's going to have to invest in some dry cleaning tonight.
Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, no.
He's got El Magnifico's poncho. Oh.
Oh, no. Oh.
I just want to say this before this gets out of hand. I am not taking care of their laundry.
Oh, no, not. Oh, no. Oh, Scott. No.
Our official's going to need to be disinfected.
I'm not doing that.
So once again, it is El Magnifico defending that gorgeous NGW Lightning Championship against Akbar, period. Well, we could clearly tell who the folks in the scooter are behind.
Oh.
He took Ref Scott's snack money.
Oh, no. Scott. This is great.
And we are underway. After all the shenanigans, tomfoolery, and goings on.
And this crowd is fired up. Oh.
A little bit of do-si-do action.
Oh. Oh. Whoa.
Ah.
Oh, come on. That wasn't nice.
Well, according to Akbar, playtime is over. Once again, our contest here. No, don't get me wrong. I am all for having fun, but this is for the NGW Lightning Championship. Duck at the clothesline.
Oh, my. Did I just...
And El Magnifico had just reminded Akbar who Maverick's co-pilot was.
So I did just witness...
You just saw him goose, Akbar.
Oh, my. Oh, no! Oh, Scott! No, poor Scott! Oh...
What on God's green earth is going on here? I think we might have broke Tyler. Caller no time, and
Oh, yep. Fun time's over.
Thumb right into the eye hole of the mask of El Magnifico. Try saying that 5 times fast.
Ooh.
Now, devastating shots to the body by Akbar. And I don't know if you noticed, though, those hands were open. He's well within the rules on that. Of course, the choking him with the boot, not so much.
Leave it to Akbar, period. Sometimes tends to... sometimes, pretty obvious, like you just said, tends to bend the rules a little bit.
And now Akbar, he's getting the business end of those taco chops.
Oh! Oh, PTSD. Oh.
Irish whip, reversal.
Uh-oh.
Go to the corner.
Oh!
Huge avalanche by Akbar, period. The snap bearing him out of the corner.
Uh-oh. Oh, oh.
And now trying some chops of his own.
Uh-oh.
And now into the rear chin lock. We did hear it.
I don't recall. Close enough, I guess.
Really wrenched it in on that rear chin lock. Now the crowd get firmly behind. Willing, El Magnifico back to his feet. Got there. Oh, jawbreaker.
Oh! Ooh.
I think Akbar might be done talking for a little bit. That sounded like it hurt.
Ooh.
Oh. A chop to the abdomen. Rattling all those soft, squishy parts.
Oh!
Oh, nice snapmare.
Take that.
Cover.
Oh!
2 count only, says our official.
Close.
Remember, this match is for the NGW Lightning Championship. And now El Magnifico showing his wrestling prowess. Oh, yeah, stretching him. I know it looks like he's up, but you got to think about this. This could tear a deltoid. It could tear the rotator cuff.
Absolutely.
Oh! Nice baseball lariat. And that only going to get him 2. And once again, Akbar going for the eyes.
Oh.
I mean, that's the thing. Akbar is a world-class athlete. However, he seems to like taking every shortcut he can. Exactly.
Back into the ropes.
Posing
Oh.
for our ringside cameraman.
I love that guy. He's so awesome.
Ah, standing splash by Akbar. Is that going to do it? Cover. Count to it. No.
Very close. And of course, if you want to see any of the camera guys' work, please visit alexandermcneil.com. Very near fall. Oh!
Now doing his own version. That's the thing. I mean, pulling the arms back is one thing, but you have to understand the knee of Akbar is in the back. I don't know how much you know about physics, Tyler. That no good.
No bueno.
No bueno indeed.
We won't talk about how bad I am at physics, but no bueno. And of course,
The human body is not supposed to bend like that.
oh, foot on the rope. This-
All right, hooked underneath, but as long as you
Or-
get it under, around, it breaks the plate. He's technically out of the ring. You gotta break the hold.
This action-packed house here at the Lou Civic Center in Mascoutah really rallying behind El Magnifico here. Uh-oh. Cover.
Try for the cover. Why is he not sinking the half?
2 count. Says our official.
And that's the thing. That could have been 3.
Excuse me. Akbar period has had some very, very close. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Akbar period has had some very, very close calls here.
But I think if he worried more,
Ooh.
I think worried more about beating him, and less about embarrassing him. He'd have been the Lightning champion by now.
Looking for a trifecta. No. Thinking maybe a trifecta there. Uh-oh.
Oh, it got. Is it time? Is it time for
Oh!
a
Air El Magnifico. 1, 2, 3. Let's
Your
go.
winner by pinfall and still the new Genesis Lightning Division champion, El Magnifico!
You know, El Magnifico, he's a guy, he loves to have fun. He loves to party, but as much as he loves to have fun, he has continued to prove that he is a fighting champion. And I don't think that we can really argue with that.
No, absolutely not, Tyler. I mean, that's the thing. He could be goofy, he could be fun-loving, but when it comes down to business, he is easily one of the people you do not want to mess with here in New Genesis Wrestling.
Absolutely.